Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today I'm going to show you the way of turning your Windows 10 PC to fully black or dark theme without any external software and just by using some Windows internal options. So first of all, go to Run and type resources, press enter or OK, and it will take you to resources, and you can also go there manually from your PC, C drive, Windows, then resources. Okay, now then simply come to ease of access themes, and for the example purpose I'm just going to show you my default theme. As you can see, this is white, probably white, but I'm going to change it to the black. As you can see, currently I'm on the currently tab. Okay, I'm going to click on HC1 theme, and it will take a little while and will give you the black theme. Yes, as you can see, the black theme is there. It is totally black. Okay, and if you don't like this, then simply switch to the other HC2 theme and the color will be changed, and I quite like this, the second one, and the most favorite one for me is the third one, HC black theme. Yep, as you can see that the color of this tab, this window has been changed, and if I go to any window, you'll be able to find the color of that window has been changed to totally black. Okay, it is not partly black, it is totally black in theme, and I am not using any external software and any external themes. Just from the Windows options I'm using this and showing it to you all, and by this way I think you'll be able to do it. If you have any question or suggestion, then please simply comment me on the comment box. And please be alert, if you find this black, then simply don't worry, choose any wallpaper from your PC and set it. The wallpaper will be set in the background. You need not to be warned. Okay, it is a simple process. And lastly, if you really found this video useful, then please don't forget to like the video, share experience on the comment box, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.